So today I'm going to be showing you guys one of my things that I do every night.
I'm trying to get in a habit of doing everything that I need to do
in the night. So what I did after dinner,
I finished some of my homework
and then I washed my face. I hope this video will aesthetically please you. Shea Pretty works well with moisturizing your lips. I recommend this. I just wanted to show you guys this cute Kindle. I started reading book on it. I only read like 2 pages, but I do really recommend this for reading purposes. I got this Paperwhite version and it's pretty good actually. My eyes don't hurt. It's not like you're looking at an electronic. It's basically looking at like paper, and it has this little cute white border around it. And obviously when you click on the banner, you can go to settings. This is just quick settings. You can also click all settings too. You can adjust the brightness, so as you go towards max, it will look more like a computer screen, while if you go to 0, it will literally look like a paper. But when you are at 0, be sure to read it under a bright light. The one that I have is kind of like glaring right here. Just make sure you read in a bright place because you don't want your eyes to be damaged, and that's what basically this is for. But the good thing is that it has this gallery version too, so you can skip over some pages. And then what it does, it also has a go-to button, so you can like go flip your chapters. You can also actually take notes. For page display, you can click compact, standard, or large. I have been not even been grabbing a book since like 2 years, and as you guys can see, these books are just for decorations. I literally never read books now, which is a bad thing. So I need to fix that. So I will be reading this on Kindle Paperwhite. I will be also having this link down below. By the way, this is not sponsored.
I only read 1 chapter, which is pretty short, so I did enjoy it though. So right now I have loads of homework to do that I procrastinated on, so I'm probably gonna do that right now. But I really love this G2 pen. It's from Pilot Company, I believe, and I am holding the 0.38 one right now, and there are so many variety of types. There are like 0.5, 0.7, but I'm pretty sure 0.5 and 0.7 comes in different colors, but 0.3 only comes in black. So I do have some other colored pens that I really love. They are great for note-taking and emphasizing on the important stuff when you're taking notes. And I just love these Pilot G2 pens. I love overall, like I love every single one of them. But for right now, I think I'm going to be using the 0.5 one for the journal. But I usually do use 0.38 for note-taking purposes and for school, and I use 0.7 for math problems, like solving math problems, and I honestly totally love these. You're probably very bored of me right now. Okay, so after I showered, I got some H2O, and I was on my phone, and I got some free time in to my routine. And right now, I am going to get ready for bed and check my Gmail. And I just wanted to introduce you guys to this really cute journal that I keep every day. I started logging every single day, starting like 2 days or 3 days ago, and I love how this turned out. And I honestly love the first page, and I also wrote one dream here. It's not like that much, but I honestly love this. This has such cute designs. I wrote some blogs every day, and I believe it is made in Korea, but I'm sure that you can buy it in the US too. And I just love all these details about this Hirakuma. And then it says that I want to see your everyday life, and I honestly love the design, and that's why I kind of started keeping this journal. And I hope you guys like this and keep a journal. Like, you know, keeping a journal can help with your mental health. It can help you to wrap your day. And I wanted to show you guys this jacket kind of thing that I'm wearing every day. This is so comfortable. I think my mom got this from Costco.